Turn to Allah. Welcome to our channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We all think of fasting in Ramadan as letting go of food and water, not more than that. And here lies a huge misconception. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to do nothing with your hollow hunger and thirst only. Trust me, it's going to do nothing with him or for him. So in order to know what's the purpose of fasting actually is, you need to listen very, very carefully to me until the end of this video. So first of all, what fasting do to your body scientifically? And this is a practical question most of the people ask. So listen, whole year, all the time, the cells of your body are breaking down, which somehow makes clusters of dead cells in your body, which with the passage of time becomes cancers, and so can be harmful, even lethal, right? So when you fast, and fast consistently, like in Ramadan we fast for 30 days consecutively, right? So when we fast, all those clusters of dead cells starts to eliminate by the process of necrosis. Like when we fast, we starve, right? So from suhoor to iftar, when we don't feed our body from outside, the body starts to engulf all those clusters of dead cells to consume energy in order to maintain its energy level, right? So in that case, when we fast regularly for certain days, about 99% of those dead cells, those clusters, gets endocytosed, right? Which protects our body against cancerous diseases. You get that? So this is what fasting do to your body scientifically. Now you need to know and you need to understand what fasting is. So look, fasting is not only related to thirst or hunger. When we fast, it means we are supposed to fast by our each and every part of body, right? Like for instance, your eyes should be fasting with you. It shouldn't be like you are fasting and while relaxing, you're using your eyes to watch any kind of filth, right? Same is the case with your ears and your tongue also. They should also fast with you. You're not allowed to listen to filthy music or songs while you're fasting at any cost. If you're fasting, your tongue should also fast. It shouldn't be used to harm others by harsh words at any cost. You get that? So guys, make it sure that you are fasting in its true sense. Otherwise, only hunger and thirst is going to do nothing with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it as well.